Yung sa video kay Daddy. Ay. Hi, I'm cooking. Ayan, tapos na. Hayaan mo lang muna siya. Pag malambot na yung kamatis, slice lang. Tingnan mo yan. Siya, maano na siya, oh. Parang siyang soft na. Diba? Natanggal na yung balat niya. Next is, what are we going to cook? 555 sardine. So, sardinas kami ngayon. Nagka-crave kami ng something na, ano, dilata. Ayaw naman nila yung tuna. Gusto nila ito. So, ito. Okay, sige. So, here you're going, what you're going to do is, hawak. And then, look at mommy ha. I'll do it first. Kaya angat ang kamay para hindi ka mapisikan. Okay? Go. Tapos. Oh. Huwag kang tatama dyan sa frying pan because it's hot. Correct. Good job. Normally, after I do that, sayang yung sabaw. Kasi oh, sayang oh. Like that. Yan. Shake mo siya. Shake. Yes. Langga. Shake, shake, shake. Great. Yan. Huwag mo inumin. Good job.
Inamoy ko.
Cheers. Cheers. Tapos, ready lang natin sila dyan. Kasi, we're gonna add that pag nag-simmer na ito. Sige, try. Try again. Okay. Try. Mamaya, I'll find you some stool na better. Okay. Wow. Marunong na magluto ang aking Mikaela. Good job.